Hello friend, and welcome to the third video of the Let's Crochet series where I show you how to do the basic crochet stitches. This video is geared towards absolute beginners, so come on in and let's get going. Alright, let's get to work, and we start with a slip knot. Once we have it ready, we're going to put our hook and tighten it up, and we are going to chain 12. If you want to see the previous videos where I show you how to do the single and double crochets and how to do chains and that sort of thing, you can click on the card up right here on the top right corner and check those out. All right, that's our 12 chain. Now we're going to, just like we did with the double crochet, and we're going to yarn over and then skip the first two chains and go into the third chain, just like we're going to do the double crochet. So we have 3 loops in our hook, and we are going to yarn over, and instead of doing the first 2, we are going to pull the yarn through all 3 like this. Yarn over and pull through all 3. So we have a crochet and a half, basically. That's called a half double crochet. And let's do it again. Yarn over and go into the next stitch, pull the yarn through, and then yarn over again, and then pull it through all the way through all 3 loops. That is our second stitch, and we're going to keep doing it until we get to the end of the row. Just keep doing it. You know the drill by now. And if I may say so, you are doing so well. I'm sure. I can't see you, but I'm sure that you're doing so well. All right, let's get to it. All right, that is the last stitch. That is what it looks like. It's a neat little stitch. I really like half double crochet. All right, we're going to yarn over, chain 1, and then chain 2, and then turn our work. And then rinse and repeat. We're going to do exactly what we did in the first row, and then continue doing this stitch until the very last stitch of this row. And we're coming to the end of the row, and I bet you're getting a lot more confident in your stitches. And you are learning most of the basic stitches in crochet that is needed, and this is what it looks like. It's so cute. Okay, the next video in our series is going to be the final one, which is going to be the treble crochet, which completes our 4 most basic, nay, traditional stitches. And here's a good tip. Once we're done with these 4, we are going into some exciting territory, and we're going to start creating some beautiful patterns, and you can make stuff that you can use on yourself, in your house, or things that you can sell or gift. Who knows? It's all up to you. It's going to be an awesome ride, and I'm so happy that you're with me on this ride. So I'll see you in the next video with the treble crochet, and then we take off from there. I'll see you then. Bye!